What's up, guys? You know what we're doing today. See, we got this butterfish from a fish market, or just a regular market in the fish section, and supposedly they're from the Atlantic Ocean. Who knows? We've added an Indian twist to it, frying it on the barbecue grill. I need to turn the heat on. Come on, guys, you're supposed to remind me. Whatever. Let me just slip that down here. I'll miss it. Okay. Oh! Still a little sore from doing like rigorous weight training. Good. Low or medium heat, so that should be good. Let me bring it down a little bit. Or no, take it far away. That's better. But you guys can't see it! Come on, bro. Oh yeah, I got this new tripod, so this is what you guys are going to be watching from. Let's just bring you guys down a little bit. Nah, that was perfect. Why did I do that? I'm having so much trouble. It's been a long time since I've done this. Where's the spray? Thank you. Look at that background. That's so pretty. Oh, and by the way, these recipes come straight from India. We do not take these online. These are all pure recipes with pure ingredients. And they're spicy. The best part. See you guys whenever we start frying. Wait, I wanted to tell you guys something really, really funny. See that back there? That's our backyard. It's half shaven. Kind of like me. You want to know something really, really funny? It just rained for like 5 minutes. And then now it's all sunny again. You can see the clouds over there. Okay. About to start frying. Would you like to come into the... Okay. So, we're about to start frying. Here we are. Always push it away from you, unless you want to get murdered by oil. And then have like 5 moves on your hands before eating it. Kind of reminds me of the ASMR from my first video. Fix that a little bit. We have the entire fish in there, except the fins and tail and the innards. So guys, we just flip this and just take a look at that. That looks delicious. That's good eating right there. By the way, guys, I'll have all the other... Started raining again. You can barely see it, but it started raining again. I'll have all of the recipe and the ingredients in the description. Check that out later if you want to have this recipe. One thing that caught our eyes whenever we were looking for some fish to do our next vlog was that butterfish doesn't really have... I mean, it has scales, but they're really, really tiny and they'll just come off. So you can eat them. It's kind of like trout. Oh my god, I should vlog a trout park. Or vlog a catch and cook. Do you guys see that? It's a buck doing who knows what. Why is its tail like that? I think it's pooping. Let's give it some privacy. Here we go again. It's raining. Bad idea. Oh my god, there is a carpenter bee. It's one of those big fat bees just flying around me. It's fine, sir. You can just leave, please. Okay, where did you go? Oh, shoot! It's sunny again. This is some real trippy weather. Back in India, I remember one time we had some red snapper, a whole bunch of it. It was in like a nice curry. Oh, speaking of curry, my mom's making mutton curry or goat curry in the house. Pretty good. I like it. And back in India, we had the red snapper, right? And the eyes. I wouldn't have done it, but see, it seemed pretty okay at the time. See, the eyes. It has like a tiny white bead inside of it. You can like chew on it. It's pretty good. I don't know if you guys want to do that though, because y'all might seem disgusted right now. Don't you guys just sometimes just sit on your patio and just listen? Very peaceful. Hey guys, I got you right here. Let's see if we can catch a hummingbird. You sit right here. Just wait. So guys, we finished it, and here's 2 of them right now. That's how much you gotta cook them, just until they're like brown, kind of like me. And I hope you enjoyed, and see you guys next time.